welcome back to my channel. Not gonna lie, I tried to do this video like 3 times, but tonight we are going to be putting up our Christmas tree, decorating. I wanted to do this all week, but either was too tired, got busy, got distracted, but finally tonight is Sunday night and I have all the energy, I have the time, and all of our Christmas stuff is actually here in this room, so we are good to decorate. And yes, it is October, but no, I don't care. I just want the joy of the holidays to fill our home. Andrew and I both work from home, so we thought, why not decorate for Christmas early? It's our favorite time of year. We're home to enjoy it. Why not? So that's what we're going to be doing. Before we begin, I thought I would show you some of the new things that I picked up for my holiday decorations. There isn't a lot, at least in Canada right now, or the past couple weeks when we've been shopping. There hasn't been a lot of holiday decorations, which is not a surprise. So I picked up a couple new things. We probably need a couple new ornaments because we got a new bigger tree. We'll see. But we decided to, you know, get what we did, and then whatever we need we'll pick up. And we might not need anything. So I'll show you what we have and what we're working with, and we will get decorating. First off, we have our new tree. This is a 7.5 foot tree, and I'm really excited because it has the plastic pine needle thingies, so they look like a real tree. It's a spruce tree, actually. We got this at Lowe's, actually a couple weeks ago. I am very excited. Then I picked these up from HomeSense. I liked them. They're just 3. I got this a little while ago from Michael's. This is for the bathroom. Oh, napkins, kind of Christmas napkins. Hi, buddy. And then these are some like faux Sherpa pillowcases. X-Acto knife. Then we have this cute little wooden house that can go somewhere. A red pillow. I'm usually like into white and gold, but we saw this and it was kind of festive. I thought maybe we could break up all the neutral colors. We'll see if it works. And then I picked up this rug for the kitchen, and it says Merry Christmas. Then we have, Andrew and I always build a gingerbread house every year, so we got one early. Leave that there. This stuff is just decorations, and this is our dog. Then I picked up these actually from the Superstore, which is a grocery store in Canada. There's 2 different sizes. I really liked those. And then these are from Michael. These are wooden beads that I thought would be nice to string around the tree. So I picked up 5 of those. They were all sold out, so of this neutral color. So hopefully that's all I need. And then from Michael's, I got this basket to go around the tree. Oh, and last pillow from HomeSense. That is all of my decorations for now. We're hoping that the tree, oops, will fit over here. We're gonna move the bench over. I don't know. It might be a tight squeeze. It's either there or maybe there, like rearranged and stuff. We'll see. We'll see. Ooh. Not what I was expecting.
What do you mean?
It's like all wrapped up, which is nice.
Oh.
I kind of thought it would come in like one piece, but I guess that wouldn't make sense.
It's true.
Ooh,
Where's
it's
the base?
I think it's at the very bottom here.
Oh yeah, I see it. Okay, go ahead.
I think we got to get everything out.
Yeah.
Okay, she's pretty much fluffed. She's a big tree. So I'm gonna plug her in. Obviously there's probably still some sparse areas. It's very itchy fluffing a tree. I'm gonna plug her in and we'll light her up so you can see. Okay, ready? Dramatic. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Okay, like after an hour of stringing, I think we finally got it in kind of a way that we like it. Hopefully with the decorations, it'll all come together. But that took a while. So let's start putting the balls on the tree. I don't know if we'll do the full like room tonight, but maybe just the tree.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Okay, so for the most part, oh, these look so pretty. Maybe I'll go buy more of these. For the most part, the tree has most of the ornaments, which makes me realize, like, 1, we need a lot more ornaments, and 2, I ran out of hooks. So I still have, like, I have maybe like a handful left to put up here. So I need to buy more ornaments and more hooks. But what do you think, Andrew?
It looks so good.
Yeah, it looks really good. I'm really happy with the tree. Definitely, again, more ornaments, but this is the nicest tree we've ever had. So, oh, sorry, you can't see me. So I will come back to you maybe in a couple days, maybe, I don't know, to finish off decorating, but I am done for tonight. So I will see you again very soon. Hey everyone, it's about a week later, and I have not finished decorating for Christmas. So today is the day that I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna get this place transformed. Obviously set up the Christmas tree, but this week was a very, very busy week. And when I did have time, I just felt like relaxing, and I didn't have the energy to pull everything out and decorate. But I do today, and we're gonna get it done. So it's also freezing today, and it's supposed to snow. So I think it's a sign that Christmas at home needs to begin. So let's pull out the stuff and we will get to finishing decorating.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
Okay, I'm pretty happy with it. We definitely need to add more large ornaments, but that was all thanks to Andrew. He has a better eye at this. It'd be great to put like a garland or just bigger stuff to fill it out, but I'm pretty happy with how that looks. I have like some lights to go on that little tree. And then hopefully in the dark, I will show you and it will look so all lit up.
But the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin.